Namaskar and welcome to AiBee's world. Today I try to clear the air around collagen, that health supplement that is on everybody's minds and every health conscious man and woman's kitchen shelf. But before I do that, I would like to say a very big thank you to Moon, my sister, because it was she who suggested that I pick on collagen as the subject of my next video. Thank you, Moon. Moon and I are actually sisters-in-law, sisters by marriage, but we are as thick as blood sisters and we are great friends. Hi Moon, I hope you're watching. I would also like to say a very big thank you to Poonam for sending me her queries on collagen and all her other inputs. Poonam and I are kindred spirits, being consummate book lovers and struggling writers. Hello Poonam. I think I should dedicate today's video to the Chand. What with Moon and her glow and Poonam and her light. Collagen is being touted as the answer to everybody's health and beauty needs. But I, Dr AiBee, always the doubting auntie, I'm going to ask, are collagen supplements really any good? Or is it all a marketing hype? Now to answer that question, I will take you to the very beginning with a basic question. What is collagen? Now collagen is a protein, like any other protein in your body, like the keratin in your hair, the myoglobin in your muscles, the antibodies and the albumin in your blood. Now, just like any other protein, collagen is also made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. The common amino acids that are present in collagen are glycine and proline and hydroxyproline. Now, mind you, collagen is very much an animal protein. It is not found in plants. Now, the human body has got a lot of collagen. Almost 30% of the total proteins in the human body is collagen. And collagen is said to be of around 30 types, but most predominant in the human body are types 1 to 5 and type 11. So what is the function of collagen in our body? Collagen is just like the scaffolding in a building that is being built. It gives the cell its structure, its form, its strength, its elasticity. In fact, without collagen, you and I would be just like a quivering mass of protoplasm. No form, no structure, no figure, no legs, no curves, nothing. So where is collagen found? Collagen in the human body is found in the bones, in the tendons, in the ligaments, in the cartilage, in the internal organs. It is found in the skin. It is also found in the what we call the basement membranes, where it has a sieve-like function. In the eye, it sieves light. In the kidneys, it helps sieve wastes and water. In the intestines, nutrients. In the blood, it sieves oxygen and nutrients. So it is very important to us in our bodies. Now we come to the second most important question, and that is, how is collagen made? By that I mean, how is collagen made inside the body? Well, the human body is eminently capable of making its own collagen, manufacturing it from all the amino acids that it gets from the diet. Now, you don't need to eat collagen to get collagen. I'll repeat that. You don't need to eat collagen to get collagen. Why? Because the body synthesizes its own collagen as per its requirement from the amino acids that you give to it from the food you eat. Simple. But you do need certain other nutrients which are not made by the body, like vitamin C, iron, and of course the building blocks that are the amino acids. Those are essential. Without vitamin C, without iron, without the amino acids, the body obviously cannot synthesize collagen. So what are the claims that the health food industry is making about collagen? Well, firstly, they say that collagen is the elixir of youth. It decreases wrinkles, adds hydration to the skin, improves elasticity. Next, we come down to joint health. The health food industry says that if you take collagen, it will improve your joint health. How? By preventing bone loss, by decreasing joint pains, by increasing the density of the bones. What else? They say that it increases muscle mass. What else? They say it improves heart health. How? By increasing the pliability of your arteries and by decreasing that villain of a cholesterol, the LDL or the low density lipoprotein cholesterol. So what are the other claims that the health food industry is making with respect to collagen? Now there are numerous. Wait, I'll just tell you, give me a minute. They claim that collagen helps maintain a healthy digestive system, maintains healthy weight, reduces anxiety, improves mood, promotes health of nail and hair, solves the farmer's agitation problem, brings back oxygen on the moon, teaches Donald J. Trump humility, solves your mother-in-law problems, and of course, brings world peace. Now, while it is 100% true that skin aging is related to loss of collagen, decreased synthesis of collagen, increased insolubility of collagen in water, I am 100% skeptical about all these tall claims that are being made about how collagen is the elixir of youth. Why? I'll clarify. The reasons why I am so skeptical is first the issue about absorption. Now, collagen is not absorbed as collagen by the gut or by your intestines. Like all proteins, collagen is broken down into its constituent amino acids, which are then absorbed. And therefore, you don't need specifically to eat collagen to make collagen in your body. Whatever protein you take in, that will be broken down by the intestines into its constituent amino acids and absorbed, and then the body will withdraw from its pool of amino acids the specific amino acids it needs to make collagen. But there is one point. The collagen that is available in the market as health food supplement, they are usually not collagen, not whole collagen. They usually contain what we call hydrolyzed collagen powders or peptide powders. Now what are these? These are basically the collagen that is broken down into peptides, which are actually chains of amino acids, very small chains, each chain containing about 2 to 3 amino acids. Now when they contain 2, they are called dipeptides. When they contain 3, they are called tripeptides. Now why do the health food companies go into so much of trouble to do this? To give you hydrolyzed or broken down collagen rather than giving you the whole collagen? Well, the answer lies in the biochemistry. What happens is when the collagen enters the body, the enzymes in the gut break them down, as we know, into amino acids. But they also break them down into small chains called dipeptides or tripeptides, which are chains of amino acids. They are called collagen dipeptides or collagen tripeptides. Now, we know that the body absorbs amino acids, but these dipeptides and tripeptides are also absorbed by the cells of the intestine. So therefore, the health food companies think that if they give you prepared dipeptide and prepared tripeptide, it will be easier for your body to absorb and it will be easier to load the body with collagen hydrolysate or collagen dipeptide and tripeptide, which the body can then use to make collagen, make more collagen. But there is a problem in that too. And what is the problem? The problem is that once the dipeptide and tripeptides enter into the intestinal cells, they are broken down by enzymes within the cells back to amino acids. So entire, all the effort that went into making dipeptides and tripeptides and feeding you is lost, because they're again converted to amino acids. So then why are these nutraceutical companies hell bent on selling us collagen powders? Actually, the answer lies in the fact that there are a large number of studies, large number, in reputed medical journals that have shown that consumption of dipeptides and tripeptide collagen powders help increase the youthfulness of the skin. Not only that, they have shown that the levels of dipeptides and levels of collagen tripeptides in your blood is very high after you consume these powders. And of course, the nutraceutical companies are encashing this to their gain. So then, what is the truth? To tell you the truth, I don't know. But I do know a few things, and that is, all these studies are loaded with what we call bias. What kind of bias? First, most of these studies, in fact majority of them, are done on small sample sizes, 50, 60, 100, 200, which have got no epidemiological validity. Second, they rely too much on subjective assessment. That is, the test subject will tell you my skin is feeling very smooth after taking those powders. And the third thing, which is the most important, is that all of these studies are backed by nutraceutical companies, done by scientists and doctors and researchers who have got strong association with a particular food supplement brand. So therefore, at many instances, nutraceutical companies and health food supplement companies take unsuspecting consumers for a merry ride. Without naming the brand, let me give an illustrative example. On searching on the Amazon app with search words collagen powder, the first product displayed was this one. Now there are multiple things that are not quite right with this product. What are these things? Firstly, there is nothing called vegetarian collagen. We have discussed it already. Collagen is completely an animal product. Plants do not contain collagen, and therefore this is an untruth, a false claim. Secondly, please note that it says collagen builder, not collagen. Therefore, it does not contain even 1 milligram of collagen. Let's now look at its ingredients in detail. It contains something known as the protein blend. The protein is from pea protein and rice protein. Something called glow blend, where it contains things like evening primrose extract and sea buckthorn, orange pomegranate, etc., etc. And the third thing called an adaptogenic blend, which I'm sorry, I cannot really tell you what it is because I don't know what it is. I will only say, why take all these lovely ingredients in a tasteless, processed powder form? Why don't you eat it as you would eat it normally? Take it in the form of your matar pulao, drink your orange juice, use haldi in your food, rotate your vegetable oil, sometimes soya, sometimes sunflower. Eat your fruits, eat your veggies. Don't waste $1,400 on 300 grams of plant-based collagen builder and vegetarian collagen powder and be taken on a merry, merry ride by these nutraceutical companies. Now let's look at another one. This one is also available on the Amazon app. This one is much more blatant. It straight away says plant collagen. Now if you take a careful look at its ingredients list, you'll realize that collagen का तो नामो निशान नहीं है. सब कुछ है. Guava powder, sea buckthorn powder, spirulina, pink salt, pink salt, holy basil powder, acai berry powder, ginger powder. vitamin C, sesbania extract, bamboo shoot, but collagen? Nah, collagen nahi hai. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, do be very, very careful of what you are buying. Read the labels, please. So then, what is the final gyan on collagen supplementation? Well, Dr AiBee, I am never going to waste my money, my hard-earned money on collagen supplements. Why? Well, for one, the research is not very convincing. Most of it is market-driven, funded by nutraceuticals, and therefore the chances that they are biased is very high. I will wait till the science is stronger and before the evidence is much more well elucidated before I spend even one naya paisa on collagen supplements. The second is that I have much better dietary protein options than that tasteless collagen powder. The options that I have are not only cheaper, they are much more tastier. For example, egg, chicken, mutton, fish. The list is endless. Now, if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, don't despair. Your options are also enormous. You have things like soya, tofu, rajma, lentils, beans, peas, nuts. You have paneer, you have cheese, you have sprouts, you have whole grains. So don't despair. Your options are as good as mine. You don't need to waste your money on that silly collagen powder. So then, ladies, I hope that breaks and solves the collagen conundrum. Don't forget to LSS. That is, like, share, subscribe, leave a nice comment in the comment section below. Until my next video, namaskar.